Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you have been doing well and have been practicing your good manners. So for today, we're going to go over questions on good manners, on all the good manners we went over on Monday. There were 11 of them, and today we will be answering questions to see how well you know your good manners. So let's start off with question number 1. What are manners? A, the basis for how we treat other people, or B, putting different ingredients together to form something new. Can anybody tell me what are good manners? Yes, guys, good job. It is letter A, the basis for how we treat other people. Good job. Question number 2. What is a good way to show respect for the other person? So, what is something we can do to show respect for someone else? A, looking at the floor when people are speaking to us? Or B, looking people in the eyes when you speak to them? Can anybody give me the answer? Yes, guys, good job. It is letter B, looking at people in the eyes when you or they are speaking to you. Guys, it is not very nice to look at the floor or at the roof or at your friend when they're speaking to us. If you want to show respect, you look at them in the eyes. Question number 3, guys. Why should you apologize? So why should you say sorry when something happens or whenever you do something? Is it A, it shows that you are taking responsibilities for your actions? Or is it B, it shows nothing good when you apologize? Think about it. Why should you apologize? Yes, guys, it's letter A. It shows you're taking responsibilities for your action. Whether if it was an accident, whether you did it on purpose or you did not, you apologizing, saying you're sorry, you're taking responsibilities for your actions and you're not just ignoring them. And it was not letter B. You can scratch this one out because it does show good when you apologize. Next question, guys. True or false? It makes others feel good when we compliment them. So, is that true or is that false? Does it make other people good when we give them a compliment? Yes, guys, good job. It is true. We like for people to tell us, to give us compliments the same way other people like for us to give them compliments. It makes us feel good, and it gives us this little feeling inside, and you like it. So yes, it does make other people feel good. So good job. And now the next question, true or false? We should treat others the way you want to be treated. Is that true or is that false? A is true, B is false. Who can give me the answer? Yes, boys and girls, it is true. We want to be treated good, and if we want to be treated good, we have to treat others the same way. So yes, guys, the answer is letter A, true. We should always treat other people the way we want to be treated. Awesome job, guys. You all did great. I'm very glad you all know your good manners, and I hope you keep practicing them. That way we can all be good people and show that we have really, really good manners and that we have empathy and we consider other people and just have a really good personality, guys. So thank you so much, guys. I hope you have a good rest of your day. Stay safe, and we'll see you tomorrow.